Welcome, entrepreneurs and dreamers. Get ready to unlock the secrets of turning initial interest into solid investment commitments through the art of the follow-up after your pitch deck presentation. Imagine this. You've just delivered the pitch of a lifetime, leaving the room buzzing with potential. But don't stop there. The real magic happens in the follow-up. It's not just a courtesy, it's an art. So, what's the secret recipe for a successful follow-up? Let's dive in. First, timing is everything. Wait a week, but no longer. This shows respect for their time and keeps the momentum going. But don't forget to make it personal. Remind them of those moments during your presentation that sparked excitement and resonated with them. Show that you were not only prepared, but attentive. Now here's where the magic happens. Progress. Update your potential investors on any milestones you've achieved since your pitch. Did you conquer a new market? Nail a major partnership? Share the exciting news. Progress is contagious. But wait, there's more. Ask for feedback. It's not a sign of weakness, but a testament to your hunger for growth. Plus, it gives you invaluable insights into their decision-making process. But let's not forget to keep the conversation going. Follow up with captivating content. Share an article, a case study, or even a short video that aligns with your discussion. It'll keep your project top of mind and fuel the conversation. Now, get ready to seal the deal. Offer a next step that's hard to resist. Whether it's a meeting, a call, or just a friendly email exchange, make it easy for them to say yes and continue the journey with you. If this guide has ignited a burst of ideas for your follow-up strategy, don't keep them to yourself. Share your thoughts, experiences, or any burning questions you have in the comments below. And if you're hungry for more insights on navigating the startup journey, hit that follow button. Together, let's turn those pitches into spectacular partnerships.